what happened in that video, the camera getting out of focus. The problem was beneath the lens. That part has to be screwed and locked down because it got loose, and with the vibration the lens moved and got out of focus. So quick fix, if this happens, you just have to screw the lens until you get the focus right, then with one finger secure the lens, this part, and use a little screw without moving the lens, and tighten this little part. If you lock it tight, then give it a little screw on the lens, and you find that sweet spot that it's all screwing fits and it's focus on the right. So hope this helps someone that has the same problem. Over and out.